are you doing, Jaden?
His favorite tapos naman si Rio.
She's staring at me, and she's thinking. No one is talking, who's talking, just me. Now it's looking over her, she can't over me. All that means is neither of us, or is it? We don't even remember that we're fighting. So both of us are like nothing. Let it go, nothing. So long as
Maalat? Ate! Kinukuha niya yung paa niya na sinusubo niya. Masaway. Ang paa niya pa sinusubo niya. Oh, yung the other one. The other one. So cute naman bata ka. Huh? You don't like this na? The pacifier. Hello, pacifier. Oh. Tangok ng tangok. What are you going to do? You're not going to say anything? Daddy and Kuya are singing, oh.
And I like something this place, and she says that place is done, and I swear I know her face. I just don't know who you are. Turn the music up in here, I still hear her loud and clear, and she's right there in my ear, telling me that she wants to hold me, control me. Come closer, come closer.
And I just can't pull myself away. Other than well, I can't breathe. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. And I just can't bring myself away. And I want to escape. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop.
I can feel her on my skin, I can taste her on my tongue.
Naku, pinapatay na si Nico.
The more